The other big story, a major controversy has broken out as two individuals, a BJP politician and a private investigator, were actively involved, or at least seen as being involved, in the raid on a cruise ship and even seen handling the accused. The NCP has now said that these raids were fake and have alleged a BJP hand behind them. The anti-drugs agency has hit back.
These pictures exposing absolutely bizarre happenings during the arrest of Aryan Khan and his friend Arbaz Merchant by the Narcotics Control Bureau. First, a private detective also there during raids, KP Gosavi, and he is seen taking selfies with Aryan Khan at a time he was alone with no legal counsel. And then a BJP leader, Manish Bhanushali, seen here with former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, holding on to the other accused Arbaz Merchant during the NCB raids. Manish Bhanushali, who visited Gujarat and Delhi recently, has photos with various senior BJP leaders. Today, NCP's Nawab Malik alleged these raids were fake and a setup between the anti-drugs agency and the BJP.
पिछले एक साल से भारतीय जनता पार्टी महाराष्ट्र की सरकार को, मुंबई की फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को, बॉलीवुड को बदनाम करने के लिए फर्जीवाड़ा रच रही है। मनीष भानुशाली दिल्ली में किससे मिल रहा था? मनीष भानुशाली गुजरात में किन मंत्रियों के साथ बैठा था और 3 तारीख को छापेमारी में लोगों को गिरफ्तार करता है? ये सारे सवाल के जवाब हमें लगता है कि एनसीबी को देना पड़ेगा।
As per arguments in court, no drugs were found in the possession of Aryan Khan. 6 grams of hashish was found with Arbaz Merchant. The total seizure included 10 grams of cocaine, mephedrone, charas, hydroponic weed, and MDMA tablets and cash amounting to 1,33,000, which was found on the other accused. The NCB says the accused were arrested because of WhatsApp chats on their phone that show financial transactions with peddlers. So why exactly is Aryan Khan in custody with no evidence of him having possession of drugs? And how were outsiders and BJP workers playing an active role and handling the accused? Samir Wankhede, the zonal director of the agency, is also seen giving instructions to them. The Narcotics Control Bureau responded to the allegations saying they had followed all procedures.
Individuals or politicians allowed to hold an
reservation, they are free to go to court, seek justice. We will reply to the court. No issues. We have done everything as per procedure.
Caught unawares, the BJP evaded answers on Bhanushali's controversial involvement and accused the Maharashtra government of politics in an attempt to deflect the issue.
राजनीति करने के लिए कई विषय मिलेंगे, पर कम से कम ड्रग्स का विषय जो हमारे देश के नौजवानों के जीवन के साथ जुड़ा है, कम से कम इस विषय को तो वे राजनीति से दूर रखते।
But legal experts say that the NCB's explanation that they were witnesses and processes were followed is unlikely to withstand legal scrutiny. In Mumbai with camera person Rajendra Dayalkar, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.